How about we talk about the difference between possibility and probability? That first part, which is go with possibility, is that you as an individual in 2022 have the possibility to get you an online business, work it, and within 12 to 18 months be financially free. Now, let's get into the probability. You're going to think it's a freaking scam. Let that negative just run wild in your head. Or you start to get into it and you don't have the belief and you quit or you give up. You will never get anything if you continually give up or quit. So there's your possibility versus your probability. Make your possibility work. Later, guys. Bye.